Superman's the greatest superhero ever.
No, he's not. He has way too many powers.
No, it's like he's cheating.
Yeah.
No way. He would be awesome even if he didn't have superpowers.
I doubt it.
Plastic Justice Squad!
Superpowers!
720, 721, 722.
What? Everyone loves getting a good burn at the gym, but today, one of our heroes is going to get burned instead.
99, 100. 100 million reps.
Only 100 million? Last week you did 10 times that much.
Come on, I didn't want to overdo it.
I could do that if I really wanted to.
Aquaman, don't be jealous. Superman is the strongest of us. That's why he's #1 on the power ranking.
That's not fair. I'm not even on the list. I'm just as strong as you guys. And who's Carl?
You disappear every time a bad guy shows up.
That's not true.
Justice Group, prepare for your final battle against me, Kylo-ren.
Who is this guy?
It's I, Kylo-ren.
Who?
From Star Wars.
You mean Darth Vader?
No, you fools. I'm the new villain.
Ring any bells?
Nope, but I'll take care of this.
What the?
Wow, that was easy. That guy was really weak.
Ugh, P.U. Superman, do you ever wash that cape? It smells horrible.
It's hard to find time to wash clothes when you're saving the world.
Hey, who wants burritos?
My man!
Hey!
Woo, burritos!
Ow! Ow! I'll show them who's weak. I'll show them all.
That was a sucker punch, Batman. Whoa, Batman, what are you? Whoa. Batman?
No one makes a fool of Kylo-ren. We'll see how cool you are without any of your powers, Superman.
Now I'm the strongest being on the planet. No more getting burritos dropped on me.
Hey, pipe down. I have work in the morning.
Soon the Justice Group will tremble at my feet.
I can still hear you.
Now.
Time for a light warm-up. I think a Volvo should do. Huh, that's strange. Hey, did someone put kryptonite in this car?
Let me try. Feels okay to me.
Are you lifting with your legs?
Of course I'm lifting with my legs. What is going on?
Try this Tesla. Its sleek carbon fiber exterior makes it light but durable enough to take on any terrain.
He can't even lift an eco-friendly, economically responsible vehicle. This can only mean one thing. Superman, I think you lost your powers.
Without my powers, how can I call myself a superhero?
Superman, you didn't get to the top of the power ranking because you could lift a building or run faster than a speeding bullet or fly. You got there because you could do all of that at the same time. That's just crazy. But what really makes you super is right here.
My cape?
No, your heart. That cape is disgusting and you should burn it.
You're still super to us, but we have to readjust the power ranking now that you're normal.
I understand.
I know this is tough for you, so this is going to be awkward. Do you mind going to get the burritos today?
Wait, but that's Carl's job.
Carl should really be here for the vote.
Tough break, bro.
Does anyone want nachos?
So, we all agree on this power ranking?
I don't. I'm not even on the board again. Steven doesn't even work out here.
Oh, hello, Justice Group. Remember me?
This guy again? Oh, I guess I'll have to take care of him this time. Ugh! What? How'd you get so much stronger?
Fools! I stole Superman's powers. Now I'm unstoppable. Not even all your combined powers can defeat me. There was one more of you, wasn't there?
Oh, hey there. You wouldn't hit a man wearing glasses, would you?
Are they prescription or cosmetic?
Cosmetic.
No one can best me now. And to prove it, I'll leave a letter here to let Superman know how utterly useless it would be for him to even attempt to stop me.
They were out of nachos, so I got extra guac instead. Is that a... Guys? Guys? Oh no. Whoever wrote this letter has terrible handwriting, and they kidnapped my friends. I have to do something, but without my powers, I'm useless.
You didn't get to the top of the power ranking because you could lift a building.
You're still super to us.
What really makes you super is right here.
Who wants burritos?
I have to do something.
You'll never get away with this, Kylo-ren.
I already have. With Superman's powers and the Justice Group out of the way, nobody will be able to stop me.
Oh, I'll stop you, Kylo-ren. Man, climbing ladders is a lot harder without powers.
How are you going to do that, Superman? Or should I say, non-Superman?
Good one, Kylo-ren. Can you let us down now?
Let my friends go.
Or what? Now it's time to meet your end. What's that smell? It's horrid.
I can't breathe. I can't breathe.
You did it, Superman! See? Your powers didn't make you super.
Your lack of hygiene did.
Aw, guys. Wow, thanks. You're cool.
Hey, who wants taquitos?
Yes!
Taquitos, my man!
Best.
This isn't over. So today's adventures end with an important lesson. Sometimes being super stinky is better than having superpowers.